Yo, what is up, people? This is Saksham from Data, and in this video, we are going to check out lists in HTML. So let's jump right into it. So, guys, let's start off with lists. So, first thing we need to do is open our Visual Studio Code. I just created the file lists.html and wrote this boilerplate code of HTML. So let's start with lists. So there are two types of lists, ordered list and unordered list. Actually, there are three types, but for now, we need to focus on the two types. So the first type is ordered list and second is unordered. Let's see what's ordered. So for starting, we need to type OL, which is the short form of ordered. So this is how we create an ordered. So now we will add li tag and we can write suppose we want programming program language. Okay, programming language. So let's see this in our and also if you have not liked the video yet, go ahead and smash that like button and hit that subscribe button so you will get notified when our next HTML secret comes. So let's jump back. So there you can see programming languages. So that's because we wrote this in the list tag, which is the li tag. So if I put here JavaScript, you will see JavaScript here. So the thing you need to see here is this one and this two. So if you don't want one and two, the class, the basic numbering, so you can go here and type a attribute named type. So now you can see it is telling us 1a, small a, capital I, and small I. So what these all are the numberings. If we change this to capital A, so here it will be capital A in place of 1 and capital B in place of 2. So I would like to go with the small. So let's save it and let's see. So there we go. So also we also have another specialized attribute for ordered list OL tag, which is start. So say you don't want that that this should start from A. I want that this should start from C. So what I can do is I can type 3 here, and then after saving it, you can see C and D. That happened because A is the first number in the alphabet and C is the third number. So I wanted C. So I put it the start from the third. So it started from the third, which is in our case C. And it carries on with D, E, F. So if I want that JavaScript would be a sublist in this, means it should be C and JavaScript should not be D. It should be bulleted, a bullet point. So what we can do for that we use unordered list. So we will type UL. Yeah, that's how we have unordered list. And now the same way I will type LI. So in that, so I will type this. JavaScript. So let's save this and check this out. So there you go. JavaScript is now here as we want. Also for unordered list, we have attribute type, which is the same, which does the same work as the type here in the unordered, in the ordered list. So only we don't have A, B, and C, just we have bullet points in this. So we can add a square. If we type here square, then it will add a solid filled square. So that is how it will look. Then if we want, we can add circle. Let's save this. And then the circle will add a hollow circle. Then if we want a filled circle, we can type in this. So this is a black filled circle. So that are the two types. And if I want, I can add more like icon or let's take a new line. So there we go. We have three things here. We want to add something here. We can add that in the same way. So the only thing we need to see here is now we don't have a start attribute for unordered list because that doesn't make sense because we have the same bullet points everywhere. So those are the two types of list. And the third type, which I was talking about, is nested list. So what is nested list? Nested list is a list within another. So that's what we have done. We have ordered list, and in within it we have unordered list. That's why we get this. So you need to note one thing here, that we can't add unordered ordered list inside unordered. We need to go this way only. Ordered list comes first, and if we want, we can add unordered list with it. Let's see if we remove this from here and paste this here out of order. This is what will happen. So see this. Now this is not a sublist because this is not part of this ordered. But if we put this again here, this comes again within. So that is it, guys. HTML. Hope you like this video, and also click that subscribe button if you have not subscribed till now, and like the video and comment if you want me to make any video related to HTML. So that is it, guys. Hope you like this video, and we will see you in the next one.